4:46 p.m. running 45 minutes late is Amtrak Train 8. The eastbound Empire Builder from Seattle and Portland, headed to Chicago, approaching Conway Road and the Lakeforest Metro Station on the CP Sub. 2 ALC 42 Chargers in the Phase 6 scheme leads today's Empire Builder. Well, we got some bad information. I was told that there was 2 ALC 42s leading. There's a P42 Genesis unit leading the ALC 42 304 on train 8. No worries though. An engine is an engine, and I actually like Amtrak, even though they need to get some of their act together. So, still made for a good picture. On this beautiful day here in Lakeforest, and we got a friendly wave and toot from the engineer. CP, Subdivision.